One of the best ways to set students up for school success is through a preschool experience. We believe so strongly in offering this opportunity to students that we've worked very hard over the past 6 years to grow our programming from 5 classrooms to 13 classrooms across the district.
Preschool is important because it offers an opportunity for your kids to play with other kids. It lets them solve problems together, learn with hands-on materials in the classroom. We do a lot of social emotional work where we talk about our feelings and we're labeling them. We work through hard feelings in preschool, which are skills that they're going to need for the rest of their lives.
We have some amazing things going on in our preschool programs. Students who have had a preschool experience come to kindergarten well equipped to engage with students in a classroom setting. They come with a strong foundation in literacy and mathematics. They also come with the ability to regulate themselves emotionally and to engage with others socially.
Our wish as educators is to have kindergartners come in with a preschool experience. Students that come in with preschool, their fine motor skills are where they need to be, their communication skills, they are able to communicate with others and their teachers, and they're just ready to be a community of learners.
I see the benefits of preschool firsthand. Kids come in ready to engage in kindergarten on day 1.
My number one goal for all of my students is to have them leave my classroom ready for school, ready to learn and use a classroom. They learn how to listen to teachers, how to listen to other kids, and how to write their name. Just simple things that are going to help them grow and learn in kindergarten the best that they can.